Hello, welcome back to Ella's channel. Now that we know how to set up our sewing machines, let us start sewing. So here's what we'll do. Instead of going straight to our good wearable fabric, we shall begin using a calico. Don't worry if you do not have one. You can simply get some piece of fabric, a cotton fabric or an Ankara preferably. Here I have my calico ready. I have 5 inches by 5 inches here. You can use whatever measurements you desire. We're going to start with straight lines, and we're going to do curved lines, and we're going to do pointed lines, corners. For the straight lines, I'm going to be ruling straight lines on my calico. Now bring our fabric under the presser foot. We're going to drop this presser foot down by turning this down. You can adjust it so that the middle of the presser foot is right on our line. So you can raise it up again and adjust it. Okay, turn it down, and now you press the pedal. We're going to press it just a bit so we can back stitch. I'll show you how to back stitch. Press the pedal. Now we'll back stitch. To back stitch, we're going to press this down and match the pedal, and you release. Now we're just going to sew on this line. Do not drag it, do not pull it, just direct it on the line. Now, let's go. When you get to the bottom, you're going to back stitch again. Back stitch, yeah. So you're going to do this until you perfect sewing straight lines. When sewing pointed corners, first sew the straight line. When you get to the point, stop. Put the needle down. Raise the presser foot and you turn. And then you continue the next straight line. You get to the corner, you bring the needle down. Raise the presser foot and you turn to the next straight line. Back stitch. When you get to the point, you slow down and you turn the hand wheel so you can put the needle down on the points. Yeah, raise the presser foot up and you turn it and put it down and
lines, slow down, hand wheel, erase this, and you turn. For curved lines, all you have to do is direct it. So backstage, and you're just going to direct it on, yeah, just like this. You raise it and you turn, because now we're about to turn. Keep going. When you get here, raise the cursor first. Raise it and you turn. Now let's play with the designs that come with the machine. These are the designs. So we're going to turn the pattern selector. When you turn the pattern selector, you see what's showing here. See, this is this one. When you turn it, you see another design. Turn it. These are all the designs that are currently showing. Now let's do a design. Let's use this one. Okay. Very pretty design. Now I'm going to use another design. Look what we have. I'm going to change the design. So this, let's see. So get some more calico and do more lines till you're perfect, till you think you're perfect in it. The curved lines, straight lines, and the corners. And play around with your machine. Look at beautiful designs. Just do different designs.
Okay guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe as I'll be dropping some more tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye! Okay guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Same time, same station.